So, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah. So this is Crypto God. Yeah. So last week I did a video that BTC will get to 70,000 per one BTC, and people were doubting it. So today I'm here to predict more. We are here to read more about it, the charts and everything. Yeah. So you see, last week BTC was 87,000 and it went down to 85,000, 83,000. Yeah. And this week it's going up. So some people are asking me that, is it possible that BTC will get to 70,000? And that is why I'm doing this video. So I want us to read the chart together so that we will all get the understanding. So let's read from the 15 minutes chart. So the 15 minutes, BTC have been going up and coming down. But in the quarter of the 15 minutes, we see a rise in the BTC. Yeah. So when we go to 1 hour, right now BTC is rising by a paper for 2.52%. It's going up from 1 to 2. So it means that it can go more, because this morning it was around 67,000. Sorry. 67,000. And I told my student that still they can buy it and sell it at 70,000. And this is what I mean. Right now, the BTC is on the rise. You can see that from the 5 minutes to the 15 minutes, it has been rising. So some said, so can they buy the BTC right now? Like, let's say they want to buy it right now so that they can sell it 70,000. You can do it, because BTC can get to 70,000 or even more, depends on the chart here. You see the 4 hour chart. You see BTC is on the rise for the past 15 minutes. It has been rising. So to me, I can tell you that it can get to 70,000. Yeah, it can get to 70,000. Can get to 70,000, like upwards like this, get to 70,000, because right now which is rising. And as you can see, the pips, BTC is rising by 2.53%. So it means that it can go up and come down, but when it's going up double. So that's why when it was 67, I made a prediction that it can get to 69. So buy it and sell it at 69,000. And people say that, oh, nah. Last week it was this 67 and it went to 65, blah 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 blah. So in a short time, yesterday and today, it has been increased a lot. You see, yeah. So if you want to buy it at 70,000, you can buy it. You can buy it at 69,000 right now and sell it at 70,000 or 72,000. So it will go up. It will go up because everything shows that it can go up. Everything shows that it can go up. We see that thing. Cause like, as you can see, this thing from here. Right now, it's increasing. It's even went to 69,300 and it's coming down, but it will also go up again. You see, so the rise of the BTC is it's crazy. It's crazy. And those who bought BTC, it's 5,000, and I told you to wait some weeks to come. You can sell it at 70,000, but when they saw that the chart was going down, going up, some sold their own at 67,000, 66,000, and things. So people who were calm and they saved their BTC, right now when they sell it, they are making lots of money from it. How you get it? They are making a lot of money from it. So don't take my prediction as a joke. So I have my, like at first I was using the group, but right now I've created a channel for crypto traders. If you want to learn crypto, we will give you free tips and things. So I have the Telegram channel in the description, so you can join it and be part of crypto journey, and let's all make money together. So to my prediction, I can see that no matter what, the BTC go up and come down, it can get to 70k per one BTC. Yeah, it can get 70k per one BTC. So if you have BTC and you want to sell it right now, you can wait for, let's say, Monday. Who knows? It can even go to 72. Yeah, depending on the chart right now. Though it goes up like this, comes down, but it still gets to go up again. It's that thing. Yeah. So I would advise you that just have a little patience, and it will go up. It will go up. Like we predict this last week that BTC will get 70,000. Right now it's 69,000. So it will get to 70,000. So just relax and save the coin, and it will get to 70k right now for you to enjoy maximum profits from it. Yeah, so that's why I said that I always predict and put the signals in my Telegram channel, so you can check the channel. I have a new channel right now. Yeah, so you can check the channel in the description and join it, and let me be your mentor and let me guide you. Yeah, so to me, if you have BTC right now, please hold on it, and it will do wonders. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.